There is a place in the world where the wise nature combines colors, sounds, and aromas to damp all its charm and beauty. Itu, in Guarani, waterfalls, gave rise to its name. Welcome to Salto, destination of immigrant and travelers discovered in this land irrigated by the Uruguay River, an area where they can stop their flight, a space where cast their anchors in such a promising horizon, a land, a place, a history. The peace and tranquility are perceived to arrive. Salto receives you with its human warmth, its natural scenery, cultural heritage and architecture, street teeming with history, a city vibrant and enterprising. The art is embodied in architectural expression. The culture has its own space, science and evolution, history and wisdom. The tradition, roots and identity. Termas del Daimán. Nature and technology harmonize, providing a delightful show. Rest, relax, far from the concerns. Where time stops, where to find himself, where there is no stress. Fun insured from 0 to 100 years. Majestic stream of life, natural nexus that unite two nations, propitious for navigation for various purposes, fishers board, sports and crafts, various aquatic fauna with big fishes. Imposing binational hydroelectric complex. Sample of integration and exploit a natural resource shared by two countries. Lago de Salto Grande. Forested park, beautiful beach of golden sand and sweet water, a few minutes from the city center. Parque acuático. Space for the fun of large and small in a privileged natural environment. For those seeking rest and relaxation. For those who prefer a challenge to the courage and maximum elevation of adrenaline. a place where faith and devotion are combined in a natural environment. Termas del Arapey, next to the river that gives its name, a piece of natural Uruguay. Mother Nature here reigns in its entire splendor. Pools of hot springs and muds, pass to invite the encounter with nature, offer a spa for all ages. Feelings of deep welfare await the visitor. The production of Salto is recognized in the world for the quality in its product.